Alright, so this morning I'm going to do the review on the Heritage Rough Rider 22 Long Rifle and 22 Magnum. Just so everyone's happy, it is cleared. There's nothing in there at all. Alright, so the Heritage Rough Rider is a 6-shot, single action only revolver. What that means is the trigger only does one thing, it releases the hammer. You will cock it manually, take your safety off, I'll leave it on for now, and then you press the trigger and it releases. Double action revolver does two things. It cocks the hammer and releases the hammer. This one's a 6.5 inch barrel and it only has a 22 long rifle cylinder. You can get the Magnum for like $30 off their website. You can also buy all the parts for this gun off the website except for the receiver right there. One crazy thing that I mean not crazy, this one has like 5,000 rounds through it because it was a demo gun for like a year and I just like plinking with it. So that being said, after 5,000 rounds, I've had to put Loctite on most of the screws on this, including this one right here is the first one that started going out. How do you load this gun? You're going to take it to half cock right there, and that makes the cylinder free to move. And you simply just put them in there through the loading gate, rotate, put them in there through the loading gate, rotate all for 6. And then unloading, you're going to grab it like this. If you're right-handed, you do it all with your left hand. So, what you do is you have your ejection rod right there. You simply push that all the way through, and then rotate, and it'll push all the way through. Pretty simple. Disassembly, also at half cock, you push this button right here, and then you'll pull out your guide rod for your cylinder, and then you have your loading gate over here, and it pushes it out. To put it back in, you simply open up your loading gate again, and you roll it through the loading gate back in, and then you want to cock the gun a little bit. Sometimes there it goes. That's also when I've had it like lock up, is when you're reassembling it. I have not had it lock up when I'm just shooting the gun. Heritage Rough Rider does have a unique feature where it has a manual safety right there, and that's because the hammer does actually rest on the firing pin, which then rests on your primer. Compared to the other guns that are in this price point, or its direct competitors, would be like the Ruger Wrangler. I've only handled the Ruger Wrangler, have not shot it. They both feel like pop metal guns. I simply prefer the blued look over the Cerakote look, but that being said, the bluing is coming off on this gun just a little bit. Other than that, this gun's really accurate. I've shot a full-size silhouette at 50 yards with it, and I've also shot a 12-gauge shotgun shell at 25 yards with it, so there's no problems there. Other than the screws, you need to tighten them up every once in a while. That's about it. That's my review on the Heritage Rough Rider. Real quick before I get out of it, I bought this one used. You can get them brand new on Palmetto State right now for like $99. If you wait till Black Friday or a holiday, Academy will have a buy one get one usually, where you buy a Taurus G2C and you get a Rough Rider or a Rossi for free. I got this from a pawn shop. I traded a Vortex scope that I had laying around, which I hated because it didn't have is their own VDC. It wasn't actually a milled out reticle, so I just didn't realize how to use it. Oh well. Trade him that and then give him like $40 for this thing. I'm going to go get rid of this one because I got a new 22 that's going to replace it, and I'll probably do a review on that one in like 6 months. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.